What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we need to get two things painted, but before we do that, we're going to set a pretty large fire in my backyard because it's Saturday and we're allowed to burn. Good work. Solid. Thank you. Thanks. I think that's it, unless there's more. Hey! Didn't you just mow the other day? All right, you do you. Yeah, look at that LB7 smoke, baby. Because it's freaking America Day, that's why. Well, I didn't ignite it with paint this time, but we should get a decent fire going. Hey, my new enthusiast hat came in. Sweet! All of our stickers, including the numbers and our big decals, are now here for all of this for the Naskart. So we need to get the Naskart cleaned off so we can get our base coat down today. And we also have to get the grill painted for the Duramax to get the Duramax back together. We're actually going to be doing the grill first. Should be fairly simple. We're just going to hit it with a light 500 grit and then get ready to paint it just like we did previously. Hopefully I have tape or something to kind of keep the center portion black. But yeah, let's get to working on it.
That's not on right.
In the meantime, while I'm going to be sanding down the grill for that, she's going to actually be cleaning this up so we can hit it with paint. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna prop the body up on though, so nothing is touching the ground. Kind of rigged together, but we have it on top of a recycling bin and a bale of straw. And yeah, we're gonna try to paint it this way and hope that it doesn't fall over. First coat going on kind of light, so it does look like dog crap right now, but it'll end up looking good. Plus whatever imperfections that we do have will be covered with decals, so truthfully not worried about it at all. Second coat is on, definitely a lot thicker. Have a couple runs. Like I said, not too concerned. I know you are, but there's gonna be so many decals on this thing, it's really not gonna matter. But going with the black. Please don't touch the car, Kins.
Please don't touch the car. We're losing patience.
Kins. Wow. Alrighty, so I didn't put it on a time lapse, but our third coat is on right now. I think our initial plan is going to be, she had a very good point. We'll get all the decals on and then clear coat over top of this to kind of prevent the decals from peeling as much. So we have like, what would you say, like a can and a half left?
Yeah, you're probably gonna need to. There's a huge white spot on the back.
Okay, we have like a can and a half left. We're gonna use all the paint that we have, make it really, really thick, and then eventually clear coat it once we have all the decals on the car. But as you can see, it is going to be black. There is a little added feature that is going on here. No, it is not going to be a Dale Earnhardt car, but in the next Naskart video, we will most likely have all of the decals on, and you guys will see kind of what we are going for. I lost count of how many freaking coats we put on so far. Obviously, it's still wet, but we're getting there. We still actually have one full freaking can. I don't know if we are actually going to use the whole can, but it is possible. So this is last call for what paint scheme you guys think that we are going to kind of mimic. Numbers are going to be different. Sponsors are going to be pretty much the same, except for the hood. The hood's going to be kind of more personalized towards us, towards the channel. But we're freaking getting there, guys. We're going to have to get some tape and different things to work on the Duramax grill. So we're going to have to wait to do that for a little bit. I think I'm going to burn through this other can, but I want you guys to drop a comment down below for what paint scheme you guys think that we were going to be going for. Honestly, with it just being black, is going to leave it pretty open to pretty much anybody that had a black car at any point. Also, what did you guys think about having uploads literally the past 7 days? This is going to be day 8 of consecutive uploads, not necessarily all working on things content, but content every single day, which kind of ranged from like 4-minute videos to like 16-minute videos. Do you guys want more daily content, whether it's NASCAR, working on this stuff, working on anything? Do you guys still want the daily content just so you have something every single day on the Snussycopen YouTube channel?
Nobody wants to see your face every day.
Listen, I don't want to see you every day, but unfortunately I have to come home to it. Major change of plans. We are not actually going to paint the Duramax grill, and thank you. I'm going to save that for another upload as to why we're not going to paint it. Yeah, there's gonna be honestly a lot of changes to the channel and in general, which we were just kind of sitting down and talking about. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. But the friggin' NASCAR's getting freaking amazing looking. So yeah, don't even care about this 40-second clip right now. Just erase it from your memory. I'm honestly really surprised that bale of straw has managed to hold this car up and not drop. I mean, I'd probably lose my mind, even though it'd be my own fault, but pretty amazed that it has held this up this whole time and nothing has happened. So truthfully, this is how our grill is going to stay. Not too worried about it for right now. If we change our mind, we change our mind. You make a lot of noise with that thing. Ah! Hey, Jesus. Now pick up the ass end and pull it over. Come on, chop chop. Let's go. Andale, andale.
Oh my god.
Come on, come on.
What
Come.
about you?
Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, keep talking crap. Can you carry that bag and my hat up?
I've carried 2 children. You can do the rest.
Perfect. Thank you.
Stop
Appreciate it.
getting in my face, man. I'm poor.
Anyway, guys, if you watched this video all the way through, thank you for watching all the way through. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure you smash that subscribe button. And tomorrow you guys are going to find out what paint scheme that we are truthfully going for with this thing. Like I said, it's not going to be an exact replica, but we have our own little twist and different things that we're going to be putting in this car. But now everybody can kind of see it in black and understand that black is our basically our base coat. And we are going to be throwing a clear coat on over top of it once all the decals are on, to kind of prohibit the decals or procrastinate the decals from flying off for longer than what we can. By no means is this cart going to look absolutely perfect, but that is not the intention, is to have it perfect. Because I mean, truthfully, like now, if we were to run it on the track, I'm not going to feel necessarily as bad if something gets messed up, because I mean, let's face it, It's not meant to be perfect. When I started sanding the vinyl off, I left some grooves and different things that are going to be covered up by decals, but that is where it stands for right now. So hope you guys are ready for this. Stay tuned for tomorrow's upload because this cart is going to have all the decals on it. I will see you guys in the next one.